We want your family to be our family at All Pro Auto Group, West Georgia and East Alabama's premier General Motors and Hyundai dealerships. Our dedication to customer service starts with our exceptional staff, and our great prices and excellent selection make it easy to find the right vehicle, like this one.
A commanding presence, sharp refined lines, a host of technological advancements, all equals the 2011 Cadillac DTS. An available 292 horsepower Northstar V8 engine and magnetic ride control offer dramatic evidence that the DTS has the power and presence to put you in control of the road. The suspension system's advanced sensors read the road up to 1,000 times a second. DTS projects a confident presence on the road. Much of that confidence comes from safety systems that protect the driver and passenger from virtually every angle. The 2011 Cadillac DTS was designed to deliver effortless luxury along with advanced personalization.
Thank you for choosing All Pro Auto Group, where it's all about you. Visit us anytime online at allproautogroup.com or stop in to either of our 2 convenient locations today. All Pro GM at 709 New Franklin Road or All Pro Hyundai at 1405 Lafayette Parkway in LaGrange, Georgia.